Hello and welcome to Reviewverse channel. Here you can get every desirable product at affordable price. Hi everyone. Today we are going to take a look at the most affordable products in the Amazon market. We are a group of people working together to give you product reviews in various categories. We try to make informed decisions so that they can meet your needs and still be reasonably priced and of a good caliber. We'll bring up what you should search for before buying them. Let's get started. Black Plus Decker 8000 BTU Portable Air Conditioner with Remote Control, White. Quiet and powerful, our 4000 BTU, 8000 BTU Oshri, Compact Air Conditioner, 16.5 by 11.5 by 26 in, will keep you cool and comfortable all summer. An adjustable fan speed cools the air to 65 degrees Fahrenheit at the coolest setting. Sleep mode makes it extra quiet while you rest, casters for easy mobility. Perfect for small rooms, this floor-standing portable AC unit provides steady, fast, effective cooling for rooms up to 150 square feet. It's the ideal small air conditioner for dorms, apartments, cabins, campers, offices, bedrooms, or living rooms. Cools a room approximately 15 feet by 20 feet. Winter Arc 14S 14,000 BTU, 9,500 BTU SACC, Dual Hose Portable Air Conditioner, Dehumidifier, Fan with Activated Carbon Filter plus Storage Bag for rooms up to 500 square feet, Platinum and Black. Award-winning, Good Housekeeping's 2022, Best Overall Portable Air Conditioner provides powerful cooling over large areas. Powerful and quiet, 14,000 BTU, ASHRAE, / 9,500 BTU, SACC, cooling capacity, noise level, dBA less than 56. Advanced self-evaporation, dual hose operation, cools up to a 500 square foot space. Ambient temperature and humidity may influence optimum performance. Patented auto drain function fully exhausts all condensate automatically in most environments. Dehumidifying capacity, 71 pints per day. Airflow, at high speed 430 cubic meters per hour / 253 CFM, 3 fan speeds. Multifunctional and energy saving, 3 operational modes, cool, dehumidify, and fan. Full thermostatic control, 61 to 89 degrees Fahrenheit, maximum power consumption, 1300 W / 11.6 A, power supply, 115 V / 60 Hz / 1 phase, eco-friendly CFC-free green Art 32 refrigerant. Black Plus Decker 10,000 BTU Portable Air Conditioner with Remote Control, White. Follow Me function. The easy-to-use remote control includes a Follow Me function, which allows the remote to act as a thermostat, allowing for more precise temperature control. Also features top-mounted LED display with 24-hour timer. Quiet and powerful, our 6000 BTU SACC/CEC, 10,000 BTU OSHRI, compact air conditioner, 16.5 by 12.2 by 27.6 inches, will keep you cool and comfortable all summer. An adjustable fan speed cools the air to 64 degrees Fahrenheit at the coolest setting. Sleep mode makes it extra quiet while you rest. Perfect for small rooms, this floor-standing portable AC unit provides steady, fast, effective cooling for rooms up to 250 square feet. It's the ideal small air conditioner for dorms, apartments, cabins, campers, offices, bedrooms, or living rooms. Thanks for watching the video. Please subscribe to our channel and hit the bell icon for future updates. You can find the product links down below within the description.